Ever, like, use a highlighter and then totally regret it? Like, that bright yellow just killed your zen?
Ugh, tell me about it. Or even worse, when you inherit a used textbook.
Right. It's like a war zone of neon, and you're stuck with it. So, for today's deep dive, we are tackling those highlighter regrets.
Oh, this is a good one. You know I'm all about a good DIY solution.
And this one's surprisingly simple lemons. Apparently, you can actually lift those stubborn highlighter marks with just a lemon.
Wait, really? Like straight up lemons?
Yeah. Our source says to use fresh lemon juice, put some on a cotton swab, and just rub it on the highlighted text. The color supposedly fades away.
Okay, that does sound kind of magical, but there's got to be some science behind it.
Right. And we always got to break down the why.
Exactly. So think about it. Lemon juice, citric acid. Citric acid is a mild bleaching agent.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like breaking down the highlighter ink.
Exactly. It messes with the chemical bonds in the ink, those bonds that give it color. They break down and boom, no more color.
That is so cool. So does that mean if I use that bottled lemon juice, like the stuff from concentrate, it won't work as well?
You're one step ahead.
Yeah.
Bottled lemon juice is often less acidic because of all the processing and preservatives, so it might not be as effective.
Makes sense. What about those super stubborn highlighter marks, the ones that look like they're tattooed onto the page?
Yeah, those are tough. See, over time, the ink actually seeps into the paper fibers and it gets harder for the citric acid to reach it.
So fresh lemons are the way to go for maximum highlighter removal. This reminds me of how baking soda can get rid of odors.
It's all about chemistry. Everyday things having these hidden talents.
It really is. And I know you love getting into the nitty-gritty, so is there anything else we should know about this citric acid and bleaching thing? Like, what's actually happening at a molecular level?
Okay, so citric acid targets something called chromophores in the ink. Think of chromophores like the parts of a molecule that give it color.
Interesting. So the citric acid basically attacks those color molecules.
Exactly. It disrupts their structure and poof, no more color. Like a magic trick, but with science.
Love it. Though now I'm wondering, would this lemon juice trick work on other stuff too? Like pen ink? Or what about a stubborn coffee stain?
Now, that's a great question. And it really makes you think about the different types of inks and stains out there. While lemon juice might do the trick on some, it's not a universal solution. Every substance has its own unique chemical makeup.
So true. Well, there you have it. Next time you're facing a highlighter crisis, just remember the power of a simple lemon. And hey, who knows what other everyday things have secret cleaning powers? We might just have to do a whole deep dive on that sometime.
Now that's an episode I'd listen to.
Until next time.